Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op in Destiny 2. To begin your cooperative journey, the first step is to form a fire team. Most activities allow for up to 3 players, letting you team up with friends or new acquaintances. Destiny 2 offers a wide array of cooperative missions, from quick strikes to more involved seasonal events, ensuring there is always something exciting to do together. We will guide you through the simple process of getting started. Forming your fire team is straightforward. You can invite friends directly from your console or PC friends list, bringing them into your game world with just a few clicks. Alternatively, use the in-game roster to send invitations to any player you meet during your adventures. For a more consistent cooperative experience, consider joining a clan. This provides a community of guardians ready to team up for any challenge. Destiny 2 offers a diverse range of cooperative activities. For quick action, jump into 3-player strikes or nightfalls, which provide excellent rewards. If you seek a more epic challenge, gather a 6-player team for a raid or a 3-player team for a dungeon, both offering unique mechanics and powerful loot. Even open-world patrols and public events become more enjoyable and efficient with a fire team by your side. Effective communication is paramount for success in cooperative play. Utilize the in-game voice chat or text chat to coordinate your strategies, call out enemy positions, and plan your next moves. Before engaging in challenging activities like raids or dungeons, take a moment to assign roles and discuss specific tactics. Working together, communicating clearly, and supporting each other will significantly increase your chances of victory and make the experience more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.